everyone, and welcome to a new episode on the Autism Cooking channel. Today I'm going to be making chicken tamarind, a recipe that Gabriel loves. So I said to myself, why not make it so you guys can enjoy and see it as well. This recipe is really good because it's full of nutrients, it's full of calcium, and of course it has a lot of protein. So let me show you the ingredients. A key ingredient in this recipe is alfalfa sprouts. It's really good because it has a lot of vitamin C, vitamin K, and a lot of magnesium. We also are going to be using some cherry tomatoes. We have a medium red onion right here, chopped. We're also going to be using half a tablespoon of coconut oil, 3 garlic cloves. We have right here half lemon juice, sea salt to taste. Right here, some cayenne pepper to taste. Also, we are going to be using 2 chicken thighs and 2 chicken drumstick. And right here is our delicious tamarind sauce, which is really good because it's anti-inflammatory, and I will show you how to make it. And to make our tamarind sauce, we are going to add some fresh tamarind as well as 2 cups of water, and then we're gonna bring it to boil. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Now we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit and then bring it to the blender. Now we are going to start a blending process. We're gonna put the tamarind inside of a blender. If you have a blender, I have a bullet right here, so that's what I'm going to use. And then we are going to start blending. Okay, so we finished blending the tamarind about 30 seconds. Now we're going to put it in our strainer slowly. I'm going to strain everything just to make sure that we only get the sauce, the liquid. And now to season our chicken, we're going to be putting the 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to be putting the lemon juice. We also right here we have some sea salt to taste. Just make sure you don't put so much. And then the cayenne pepper, just a pinch of it. And then we're going to stir it a little bit. Just make sure that it takes. We're going to add our coconut oil to our pot. Then we are going to put and after 5 minutes we are going to turn our chicken thigh just to get a little bit of color on the other side. Okay, as you can see, this chicken has been here for about 15 minutes. You can see the color. Now we're going to add up the alfalfa sprouts. I'm going to spread it, and then we also are going to add our cherry tomatoes and our onions. I'm going to add everything up. And last but not least, we are going to add that tamarind sauce. Look how delicious that looks. You will not regret making this recipe. It's so good and nutritious. And our chicken tamarind, it's ready. Look how amazing it looks. It's so tender and so juicy. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. So I'll see you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.